Alright, so we're there with the fireman Capelton. Capelton, how would you describe your performance?
Energetic, hot, blazing, scotchy,
Yeah.
touching, can't cool.
Alright, so we know say you're a person who always have a message for people. So what would you give to the youths them nowadays? Because you see a lot of crime, especially like going in the Mobile and a lot of urban areas. What would you tell them say?
Well, all I would tell you to stay away from crime, stay away from drugs, stay away from immorality,
Yeah.
be obedient to your parent and your guardian, go to school, get your education, be educated and re-educated as well. And, don't follow the turmoil and the obstacle and the stumbling block of life. That is a part of the struggle. Never lose hope, never lose courage. Believe in yourself, know who you are, know where you're coming from in order to know where you're going. Never stoop to the limitation in Babylon or accept the stripping of the royalty and say yes, it is all good. And it's not everything that you get out there, you must accept it and say yes, it is all good. You know what I mean? So, and don't be vulnerable to a certain elements. You understand me? I say, be yourself, be positive, keep your focus, know what your goals are, reach out for them. Always remember that the ultimate is self-determination.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so some questions. Is it okay for someone of Rastafarian faith to wear skinny jeans?
Because we're skinny jeans. Well,
People did load up Fanta and Moja last year with him to wear something lyrical. So is it okay?
it's okay to a man free for wear anything when he want. It's up to him. You know what I mean? We're supposed to know we are royal people, so we're supposed to know how to
Okay.
how
But
to
we know
attire.
say
Look at
fashion
me.
is one big deal for you.
Of course, it's a part of
No,
the
so
thing.
who put together like a shoes? The outfit are one thing, but the shoes like.
I'm here.
So
Bala.
you come up like what Capelton come to you and just say, all right then, like me I feel like food go red today. How it come up?
No, you see, we have a connection, you know.
Yeah,
You understand? So telepathically, we can communicate
Oh,
without
just like that,
Yeah. So most of the outfits based upon for the kind of show too.
Yeah.
So if it's a show like Rebel Salute, we know it's a straight royalty, and then again, Capelton love red. Red I'm favorite color, you know.
Fireman,
Yeah. So basically, I just saw it go.
When you see, say I be a fire we burn.
Yeah.
Fire is for the purification and preservation of soul.
Yeah.
Even within this time and age when people succumb to blood sacrifice, selling their soul to the devil, killing their mother and their father and sister and their brother through wealth. You know what I say? It is up to we to know that, we cannot be a traitor and a sellout to ourselves. You understand what I say? And we can't sell out the spirituality and we can't sell out the soul. Because at the end of the day, we don't have a beef with the two bomber, we don't have the bunker buster, we don't have no laser bomb, we don't have no nuclear power. What we add is our spirituality, what we have. The only thing we have is our spirituality. So, you know what I mean? That we have, it's bad just to say, have no fear for them atomic energy because them can't stop the time. You know what I mean? And we're born senseless killing. You understand me? So we're born pedophile, we're born rapists, we're born injustice, we're born immorality, we're born death without dignity, we're born exploitation, racism, sexism. We're born everything when we are born. You see me? Yeah, man, nothing else.
All right, so we have something that we call it. I realize a lot of women go crazy them say Capelton. What is the weirdest fan moment that you've had, or the weirdest thing where a female fan has done or come up and said to you?
Well, they've done so much weird things. Tear off your clothes, tear off your necklace.
We're used to it.
Yeah, so it's a try, you know what I mean? And we love the woman them, you know what I mean? Yeah, you see me?
All right.
Yeah, man.
What is up for you? Turn it up, turn it up, burn it up, turn it up, burn it up, turn it up, burn it up. Hey, yo, where you like that? Burn a fighter. Where you like that? Burn a lighter. Where you like that? Burn back up.
A few moments later.
Give me right here, brother. Push on the side of the phone. I want to say every phone in our salute. And I say no police call me. Then I'm going to walk in the credit. Then I have a phone anytime you want. What's up? We have the phone. We have the phone. We have the phone. I have the phone. We have the phone. We have the phone. I'm gonna need you some lyrics. I'm gonna need you some lyrics. Brother Stylo, you wanna know something about me? Say me no run joke. Me no tell you and me no take joke. Me no yam fish, much less fi yam pork. Me no drop, much less fi drop pork. A boy just get that fi you. Me no Stay true. That one I am sure. Now I listen to creativity, Panama. Let me salute, morning and the morning. Welcome to judgment morning. Welcome to fire morning. Welcome to fire salute. You know how you yourself. I pray for a welcome. So, Prophet, I'm going to run with. I'm going to run with. They trying to stop us, we get higher. Cause every day you say a prayer. Cause by the most I we inspire. But it's like you compassion with fire. You piece of undo. Put it on the top and now go to go. No, you will piece of undo. Put it up and now go to go. You piece of undo. Just me to the top and now go to go. Stars in action, the champion for champion in action. Always I give the people them satisfaction. Make sure they get to you, them get them fraction. But we call me for lockdown, jam. Explore the place in an island explosion. But anyway, I send me where they come from. You want to never get out of listen lyrics. Stadium like a chisel. Keep my hands there. Well, energetic and busy. Looking at the crowd, light up and whistle. We don't ride off, but we siding to the east. Let the me and the touch, roll money to the east. Yes, we tell them they want wax to when they ready with the truth. Ignite the people, them are unity splash. Keep it clean when we reach the splash. Spring it, what a thing, spring it, anything, not the way to make me. Take it out. All the peoples of salvation, redemption, repatriation, restoration, liberation, emancipation, self-esteem, self-awareness, self-reliance, self-talk, self-control, respect, discipline, diligence, humility, tolerance, and most ultimately, self-determination. All who believe in yourself, to one year again. You don't believe in yourself, speak out yourself. You know what I'm saying?